Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be putting my Redbubble sticker maker tool to the test today with AI, and we're just going to be creating some different stickers live. Let's test it. Let's see how it works. Let's see if it's any good, and let's see, how good it really can be. I wanted to make these kind of behind the scenes type videos where I just record for you guys and just show you some of the workflow, some of the ideas that run into my head while I'm working. And we could just do some stuff. So I'll start pretty basic. I'll start for example, I'll type in sunset with clouds and a castle. I don't know if that's basic, but kind of basic, right? Nothing too complicated. The nice thing about this tool, I guess you could say this plugin, is that you don't have to type in too much, and the whole focus behind it is that it will create stickers based on what you say in a nice, colorful, almost like a child art kind of way, right? You kind of see what this looks like, which is interesting. Obviously, I made videos before on, how these images need to be upscaled. It's just part of the protocol. So that's pretty normal. But you get kind of an idea. And the nice thing about this is we have, we kind of trained this to provide more results that we can keep creating. So here it says a fantasy tree with vibrant pastel leaves and hanging lanterns set against a backdrop of a starry dusk sky. Here we have a serene lake scene with floating lanterns and exaggeratedly tall reeds under a soft twilight sky. I like that one. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's see what we can make. And I'll hit enter. And let's see. I probably didn't even need to, not probably, I already know. I didn't need to copy and paste. I could just type in the number 3 and it would have done it for me. But let's go ahead and take a look at it anyway. If you guys want to see the videos where I upscale and things like that, I'll leave a link in the description, because if you look closely to this image, it's not very clear, like certain parts of the image. So, it's kind of important to make it as clear as possible. This image is a lot better in terms of production, maybe because there's less intricate details, but there you go. You have another example of a sticker. Another thing that makes this sticker maker super easy to use, guys, is the background. So the background is super easy. I've shown how to remove backgrounds before on my channel, and the background is super easy to remove because it's kind of like one solid thing. Now, it's not always one solid image. I know that for sure. But in situations like this, I don't see why not. Let's go ahead and create more. So here it says a whimsical garden with oversized flowers, tiny magical cottage. Let's go ahead and enter that and see what's next. We have a pastel colored unicorn standing beside a crystal clear stream with floating sparkles and soft glowing flowers. Let's try that too. All right, so I'll take this, hit copy, and I'll go down here and I'll hit paste. And once this is ready to hit submit, it will submit for us the image. Let's see. So this did not come out as a sticker. So once again, it's just a training error. We've trained it to produce stickers. You could see here we never told it to produce a sticker. Here we never told it. Let's go ahead and test this, but we write the word sticker, right? And it will probably kind of awaken to that idea again. But this was a mistake. This should have never happened, which happens, It does happen every now and then. Let's go ahead and give it a second. What I do recommend, though, guys, is once it starts behaving like this and it makes an error, just go in and create a new session with it. Basically, you open this up, open up a new session and recreate it. But there you go. Once again, this is okay. It's not the best. I definitely prefer other stuff. So I'm going to pause my screen real quick and I'm going to create a new session. I figured actually I'll show you how to create a new session. So once again, once it runs into an error like this, what I find is just scroll all the way up, go over here, and just click new chat, right? Just like that. And then just start over again. So, for example, I'll type in blue water river, and evergreen trees. Just like that. Something simple. Let's see what it can do. you know. I think it's fun to experiment with these kind of things. I've said this before, but if you have any kind of like children, you could take this and turn it into a outline art style. They could use it for coloring books. Even if you don't, even if you don't have kids or whatever, you could still sell these books, KDP books, and it's pretty cool. This is a bad example of a sticker because look how wide it is. It almost gets cut off in the image. So sometimes you do have to create different stuff. So here it says a magical pastel forest with oversized mushrooms and sparkles. I can click number 1. I'll hit enter, and it will do that for me. And hopefully it fits this time within the context of the actual sticker maker. But I got some tricks up my sleeve for future ones. For the sake of this, let's go ahead and go into Google and type in cookies. I want to know different types of cookies, different types, so that we can give it to the AI to create. So I'll type in different kinds, right? And here it says 30 of the most popular types of cookies. So chocolate chip, let's see, what is this? This is peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to take this, right? And see, this is also messed up. So I think I should just start a new chat right now because it's just not understanding clearly. And I'll just write peanut butter cookie. So just like that, peanut butter cookie. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it can create a good image for us. And once again, guys, it's all about testing. There are going to be times where you have some errors here and there, some issues, but it's nothing, too bad. All right, so let's see what it comes out with. Hopefully something decent. Okay. Yeah, man, didn't do a good job. Let's see. Let's keep going. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type in new chat. Okay. And I'll type in let's type in a cute, or not even cute. Let's type in a slice of carrot cake. This is kind of like my basic prompt that will kind of recalibrate things. Hopefully it kind of does that for us. Let's see what it can do. Let's see. This one is taking a little bit longer to make from what I feel. There we go. So yeah, this is kind of a little bit more what I'm looking for. So this is not bad. And I could type in the same way, create a slice of chocolate cake. So let's see what it could do here. In the same way, create a slice of chocolate cake. Let's see what it can compile here. Hopefully something decent. Let's see. And, it is taking a little while. I did notice that. I don't know if you guys noticed that on my other videos, or my other sessions, rather. But it is taking a little bit longer. There we go. I'm looking for that as well. So there you go, guys. This is a pretty good video for you guys to see and experience this firsthand. Is that not every single production is going to be amazing, but if it isn't, just go back, create a new chat, and get it going. Don't be afraid to, get full usage out of this. This is not something required by any means. I'm not going to sit here and act like you guys need to have this. It's not required. This is just one of those nice little fun things to have that kind of help out from time to time, but it's not like a crazy requirement. You don't have to have this in order to be successful with print on demand. This is just one of those videos where I kind of want to show you some stuff in the background here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to keep this video running for too long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, peace out, bye.